To be. He is a student. He is a student. To have. I have a book. I have a book. To do. She does homework. She does homework. To say. He says hello. He says hello. To get. She gets money. She gets money. To make. I make pizza. I make pizza. To go. They go to school. They go to school. To know. She knows the answer. She knows the answer. To take. She takes a shower. She takes a shower. To see. He sees something. He sees something. To come. She comes home. She comes home. To think. He thinks a lot. He thinks a lot. To look. She looks up. She looks up. To want. She wants ice cream. She wants ice cream. To give. He gives him money. He gives him money. To use. She uses her phone. She uses her phone. To find. He finds a solution. He finds a solution. To tell. He tells her a joke. He tells her a joke. To ask. I ask him a question. I ask him a question. To work. He works in the office. He works in the office. To feel. She feels good. She feels good. To seem. She seems nice. She seems nice. To try. She tries to walk. She tries to walk. To leave. They leave the school. They leave the school. To call. He calls his mom. He calls his mom. To show. She shows the house. She shows the house. To provide. She provides her information. She provides her information. To keep. I keep the money. I keep the money. To hold. They hold hands. They hold hands. To turn. The wheel turns. The wheel turns.